Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. And as we can clearly see on the chart that Euro USD has the tendency of going towards the downside because it is clearly visible to us that market is going towards the downside because see Euro USD is trading in the channel and the channel is pointing towards the downside because market made a low, then market went up and market made a high, and but market came down again and market went up. But when market went up again, market failed to cross the previous high. Rather, market formed a lower high. And again, market formed a lower high. And again, market has formed a lower high. So market has formed a series of lower highs, which means that slowly, sellers are showing their influence over the market. Sellers are showing their dominance over the market. And if we look at the overall chart of Euro USD, then also we can clearly see that this market is under the influence of sellers. So whenever we get a market trading in a narrow range, then we get trading opportunities on both the sides. We can buy at the support and we can short the market at the resistance. But this market is under the influence of sellers. Or in simple words, this is a seller's market. And in seller's market, it is quite risky to go for buying position, and it is always better to follow the trend of the market. So in this case right now market is in a very lucrative position because you can see that one thing is clear to us that this trend line above is a valid resistance for the market. And right now you can see that market is almost standing at the resistance level with price rejection from above. And if we look at the position of stochastic RSI also, then also we can see that it is in the overbought zone. So considering these two factors, so market is in a very good position right now. But still I'll say that you must wait for one candle because see still we are getting price rejection from above, but the market has not given a closing yet. After the closure, wait for one candle and just see if market forms a red candle, and if you see that market is about to go down from this particular level, then you can short the market. Okay, but I'll say that though market is in a very good position right now, but still you must wait for a while. On the other hand, just keep in mind one thing, that we have a support here in the form of a trend line. So this will be your take profit target. This will be your take profit target, and just keep in mind that we have got one more important level on this chart, that is 1.1718. This level 1.1718 is important because this is a support from the weekly chart that I have clearly shown in my previous video or yesterday's video. So this level belongs to the weekly chart. In case market crosses this trend line, then my dear friend, this will be your second target. Okay, this will be your second target, 1.1718. And I would like to show you few more things here. So you have understood, you need to wait for one more candle. If market goes down from here, then you can short the market. You should not go for buying opportunities because this market is under the dominance of the sellers. Clear? And right now you must also see this thing. Okay, this is the currency strength meter and I'm in a daily chart. You can see that euro is again weaker in comparison to US dollar. So euro is weak, dollar is strong. As a result, it will be very risky if you go for buying order or buying, if you look for buying opportunity when euro is weak. On the other hand, if you look at the chart of dollar index, it is the 4 hour chart of dollar index, then you can clearly see that market is what happened, no ads on chart. You can clearly see on the chart that dollar is also following a trend line in the chart of DXY US dollar, we also have a trend line, and right now you can clearly see that in the 4-hour chart US dollar is also respecting this trend line as a valid support. And as we all know, if dollar starts going up, then the price of euro will fall. As a result, there is a good amount of opportunity, or there's a good possibility that dollar will go up and euro will fall. And we have clearly seen on the chart also that euro is in the resistance zone, euro is in the overbought zone. So if we add up all the things, the chart of dollar, the position of US dollar standing at the support and with price rejection from below, the chart of euro USD, where we can see that it is following a downward channel with good selling pressure from above, right now facing price rejection from above, standing at the resistance level, and market is in the overbought zone. Okay, so considering all these factors, we think that euro USD is in good position to short. Okay, just wait for one candle. Okay, just wait for at least this candle to give you a closure, and after this candle, if you see some good selling pressure, then you can short the market easily. And if you go to the forex sentiment meter also, you'll find the forex sentiment meter in my website avilashhajarika.com. just go to the avilashhajarika.com, and under Forex 101 section, you will find the Forex sentiment meter. In the Forex sentiment meter also, you can see that uh, 50% retail traders have taken short position and 49% retail traders have taken long position. So there's a 50-50 situation going on among the retail traders. And as we all know, we should not follow the retail traders because 90% retail traders lose money. Therefore, only follow the next level things that we have just seen few minutes ago. Okay, therefore do not follow the sentiment, because today you can clearly see that retail traders are quite confused. And if you go to the forex heat map, then you can see that today there is a good amount of hit going on in the chart of Japanese yen, Australian dollar, and today New Zealand dollar is weak. If you want to short the market, or if you're in a bearish mood, you can short New Zealand dollar today. And anyways, there is not much movement in the euro USD chart, because it is showing that there is only a movement of 0.02%. Okay, so if you want to avoid euro USD, that's completely up to you, but position is good right now. And if you go to the forex volatility calculator, then you can find that euro USD, we are just having 1.3 pips movement in the 5 minutes chart, and we are just having 10 pips movement in the 1 hour chart, and in the 4 hour chart also we are hardly having a 10 pips moment. So there is not much volatility in the market. So as we all know, we need volatility, we need good movement in the market to make money. So if you're looking for huge movement, huge jump in the market, then euro USD is not the chart for you right now, following the volatility calculator and all. But overall, if you are a fan of euro USD, then I must say that this chart is in a good position right now to short the market, because dollar is also going up. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.